Multiply 25,400 by 20 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. The second partial product is 508,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the 10,000s column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the 100,000s column, bring down 5. The product of the whole numbers is 508,000. So 25,400 times 20 is 508,000.